So what issues do you see with Target's strategy?
One of our biggest issues is definitely shortage. There's a lot of, last year we actually had $1 billion just walk out of our store, which is horrible for us. We also have a really big issue with staffing. As a salary paid employee, I don't clock in and clock out, so sometimes I'm here for 10 hours and some of our members are here for 8+ hours. We never really know how busy the day is going to be. So sometimes I don't even get time for a break for myself just because the store is so busy, so that's definitely a problem.
Okay. So you mentioned Target's lost like $1 billion. What causes that?
One of our biggest causes of this are our cashiers. They, obviously when you shop at Target, there's things that you can put at the bottom of your cart, whether it's water, soda, and our cashiers are trained to look at the bottom of the cart to make sure that those things are scanned. But obviously everyone makes mistakes and there's a lot of times where they don't look. And we also have a big problem with our cashiers not looking in items like we have our suitcases, backpacks, things like that where guests can put unpaid merchandise within there and we could never know if we don't look inside of them. So we do try and train our cashiers to do that, but everyone makes mistakes. So that's definitely a big reason for that. And then we also have a really specific procedure for our assets protection team when trying to catch someone that is stealing. And if that procedure fails, then they can't even confront the person for stealing. And that's a huge problem as well because they may know that the person's stealing, but they didn't do the procedure correctly.
Gotcha. So is there anything being done to fix the situation aside from just instructing asset protection managers to try and do their best?
Mm-hmm. So every morning, Target implements a group huddle. So we get all of our executive level employees and then all of our team members together just to remind them of certain things that we have going on within the store and things like that. And so our asset protection team comes and reminds the cashiers every morning that they do need to look inside of every single luggage that's bought, every single backpack that's bought, to make sure that we are getting those anything that is unpaid within our merchandise, and then also to look at the bottom of the cart.
And back to this staffing situation, you said you could be working upwards of 10, 12 hours and not really even know going to the day. Are there any solutions you can think of to fix this situation?
The only thing that I can really think of is maybe just making sure that the person that comes in for the night shift or the following shift, them overlapping an hour so that I could get a break for at least half an hour, and then the other half hour I could explain to them all the things that were going on within the store that day. That would help a lot just so that I can have a break within my day.
Yeah, all right, great. Thanks, Allison.